In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import accounts to Smartlead. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a fresh campaign, upload your contacts in bulk, and review the key areas that control how your emails go out. First, open Smartlead and head to your dashboard. On the left sidebar, find Email Campaigns. This is your home base for creating and managing campaigns. Click Create Campaign to start a new one. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. A simple naming convention, like the audience and month, can save a lot of time down the road. When you're happy with the name, click Continue to create the campaign shell. Next, it's time to bring in your contacts. Select Add Leads. You'll see the uploader where you can click to browse or simply drag and drop your file. A quick tip before you upload: use a clean CSV with one contact per row and consistent headers, like email, first name, and last name. Make sure there are no blank header rows or extra tabs in the sheet, and remove obvious duplicates if you can. When your file is ready, choose it from your computer, click Open, then Continue in Smartlead to move forward. You'll now confirm the import. Click Import Leads to start the process. Depending on the size of your file, it may take a moment. When it's done, click Done to return to your campaign view. At this point, your leads are in and ready for sequencing. Now let's review the settings that determine how your outreach actually goes out. Open the sequence area to confirm the order and timing of your steps. This is where you'll make sure your follow-ups are spaced correctly and your content flows naturally. Next, go to email accounts to ensure the right sending accounts are attached to this campaign. If you manage multiple domains or mailboxes, double-check that the appropriate ones are selected so deliverability stays strong. Head into subsequences to verify any variations you plan to run. This is helpful if you're testing different messages or segments. Finally, open settings to review, sending windows, daily limits, and tracking preferences. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in reply rates and inbox placement. When everything looks good, click Save Changes to lock in your setup. That's it. Your campaign is created, your leads are imported in bulk, and your sending configuration is set. You can repeat the import process anytime with updated CSVs, and keep an eye on deliverability and engagement as results come in.